Welcome to the world of seamless sales management with x2x RMH and Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central integration. Let us take you on a journey to explore how this powerful integration transforms your sales operations. x2x RMH is designed to empower retail businesses with efficient point-of-sale solutions. Coupled with the robust capabilities of Business Central, this integration ensures end-to-end sales management from the storefront to the back office. Imagine real-time synchronization of sales transactions, customer data, and inventory updates across your systems. With x2x RMH integration, your point-of-sale data is seamlessly transferred to Business Central for accurate and timely decision-making. Every sale you process in RMH is automatically reflected in Business Central. This eliminates the need for manual data entry, reduces errors, and improves operational efficiency. Deliver exceptional customer experiences. The integration allows you to maintain a centralized customer database, enabling personalized marketing and loyalty programs. The integration provides complete control over sales transactions with automated data flow and accurate accounting for all customer types, including walk-in customers, named customers, credit customers. Streamline your sales processes, enhance productivity, and drive growth with x2x RMH and Business Central integration. Ready to elevate your retail operations? Contact us today to learn more. Your retail success starts here. Let's make it happen.